Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do unbox the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, and this is a budget tab from Samsung which is costing around 35,000 PKR in Pakistan market. In this price range, we have a 3GB of RAM with a 32GB of internal storage, and the color I have is the gray color. This tab also available in the black color as well. And guys, I am really excited to unbox this tab because this is my first unboxing of any tablet. So without wasting time, now let's first remove the plastic like this. And also this tab also has a 5100 mAh of battery size. Also on the front we have 8.1-inch display. So here's the box of the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. So now let's open this box like this. And guys, when you open the box, the first thing we get the tablet itself on the top. Now let's out the tablet from this box like this. And now I'm gonna just put the side here. Now let's see what else we get. And then the tablet, and the first thing we get a charger as well as a cable. And guys, and this is a USB Type-C to USB-A cable. And also we get a charger, and this is a 10-watt adapter, but the Tab S7 Lite is support 15 watts. So if you want a 15 watt fast charging, you have to buy the 15 watt adapter separately. And right there we have a quick start guide, and you can see, as well as a warranty card. We also have a suggestion tool, as you can see. So now let's put all these things to the side, and now let's look at the Samsung Tab A7 Lite. So here is the Tab A7 Lite. On the front we have a cloth. So now let's remove this as well. So here is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, and you can see on the back we have a matte finish. Although the back it is made up of aluminium, as well as the frame of this phone. The front we have 8.1-inch display. So now let's quickly boot this phone up, and now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have a speaker, main microphone, USB Type-C port, headphone jack. On the left hand side we have nothing. On the top we have another speaker. On the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a noise cancellation microphone. On the front we does not have any screen protector as well. So Samsung Galaxy logo. So you can see that here is the first boot of the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. And you can see on the front we have a 8.1-inch over 720p TFT display. And the good thing about the Tab A7 Lite is that Android 11, so that's really good thing. Again, we have One UI version code 3.1. We have a 32GB of internal storage. Now let's see the internal storage. We have a 32GB of internal storage. Out of 38% is used right now. We have a 3GB of RAM, and this phone also has a 5100 mAh of battery size with a 10-watt adapter in the box. But this phone also supports 15 watt fast charging. Now let's go to the display, and you can see, and the display brightness also, it is really good, I have to say, in indoors. But I wish that we have a more better display on this phone. And this phone is powered by MediaTek Helio P22T chipset. Performance looks not really fast on this phone. I wish that we have a G85 chipset, which is much better chipset as compared to the P22T chipset. On the front we have a 8.1-inch display. As you can see, it is really good for watching YouTube videos. Now let's see the camera. On the back we have a 8 megapixel selfie camera. On the front we have a 2 megapixel selfie camera, and you can see here is the front camera looks like. And the quality with the front camera, it is really okay. It is only useful for video callings. Now let's see the back camera. And the back camera, it feels really average, I would say. The back camera also has a portrait mode. Now let's see video recording size with the back camera. The back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps, and the front camera only shoots 720p at 30 fps. In the mode section we also have a pro mode, and you can see no night mode as well as no slow motion on this phone. So overall I have to say, regarding the Tab A7 Lite, the only thing I feel it is really bad on this phone is the chipset. At least we get the MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, because the chipset, it is not really powerful on this phone. But yes, in day-to-day tasks, and this tab is handling everything fine. Also in terms of the gaming wise, and the Tab A7 Lite, it is not really good for gaming even. So, and also on the Tab A7 Lite, we does not have any fingerprint scanner, although we have a Face ID on the front which uses the front cameras. And thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Tab A7 Lite. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.